What's up, everybody? I'm Jesse.
And I'm Daisy.
We're Spartan Overland. And today, we're gonna clean up the truck a little bit.
But we're not using just anything.
No, we're not. We have this 20-piece kit from Salty Captain. I have this thing, okay? Yeah, the truck's an off-road vehicle, but between trips and between trails, I usually clean it up really quickly.
He doesn't just clean it up because he likes to look like a mall crawler on the weekdays, but he also cleans it up because it's important for the upkeep of your vehicle. We're pushing these vehicles into things that they don't typically do when we're doing crazy things on a regular basis. So it's a good idea to clean it up after each endeavor and to really take a good look at it. So it's part of the whole process, right? If you keep it covered in mud, you're not gonna see leaks, you're not gonna see loose bolts or missing pieces or any of those types of things. So yes, we clean it up because it's a good looking truck, but it's also because it helps us take care of it and keep it in the best optimal functional capabilities.
100%. But that said, to get where we're at, looked a little bit like this. Now, let's get into what this kit consists of.
So this is, like he said, a 20-piece kit. And this is probably, no, it is, the fanciest car wash getup that we've ever had. So what all we got here?
We got two 4-gallon buckets. And they don't count these as part of the pieces, but you've got 2 strainers so that the dirt from your washcloth, it sinks to the bottom and stays out. 5 microfiber towels. Now, those are detailing towels. They are color-coded. We'll get into that in a minute. The foam, well, this is the garden hose sprayer. They call it a musket. Microfiber noodle hand mitt and microfiber towel, a hard bristle and soft bristle brush, tire shine applicator. We've got our various cleaning agents. So we've got tire shine, 4-wheel drive, wash detergent, interior cleaner, grease attack degreaser, glass cleaner, and drip dry post-wash hydro coat. Some of these have sprayers. Some of them will be applied through the musket. So we mentioned earlier, there's different colors of these microfiber towels, and each one has a different purpose. So let's go over them real quick. We've got the red, which is gonna be for your interior fabric and upholstery. Purple, which is glass and mirrors. And then gray, which is gonna go exterior body and paint. Brown, for your wheels and tires. And then lastly, green for your dashboard and console.
So probably the coolest part, in my opinion, and I haven't done anything yet, just visually, coolest part is their musket. It does have settings, so no water, spray the water, spray the soap. Very, very cool. I'm excited. We do have high water pressure, so we're gonna see how well that works. And then when you're filling, less cool, they also have a regular nozzle. We all know how this works. Snap it on, turn it around.
Now, I do believe that they call that the flush.
The
So I
flush.
think the idea is that you can poke this nozzle into holes in your frame.
That makes this more cool.
Or this one.
You can wash the truck with that one.
Pass.
I'll wash the Jeep with this one.
How do you hook this up?
In the butt.
The back end. They say that this fitting fits
The
most detachable garden hoses. So we're gonna see, we already have a quick detach.
This is our regular one.
Moment of truth.
I think ours is too hefty.
Swapped it out for one that I already had here. And surprise, it fits the one we already had. All right, next is the 4-wheel drive and RV wash. next, we're gonna do tire shine. As you've seen, I used the microfiber towel and dried the truck down, wiped down the wheels. So now, tire shine. Y'all thought we were done, but we're not. We're gonna do the engine bay. We've got the grease attack. So for this, we're gonna, first off, I'm gonna get a bag, I'm gonna cover up some of my sensitive electronic bits. I'm gonna spray this with degreaser, and I'm just gonna hit it with the grease attack. This says to let it soak for a bit. As a degreaser, we can use it neat, or for minor degreasing, we can dilute it with water in a 3-to-1. There's a lot of different uses on here. We're gonna go full strength, baby. I'm gonna spray it on there. I'm gonna let it soak for a couple of minutes, and then I'm gonna hit it with the hose. Rinse everything off. Maybe we'll wipe it off with one of our microfiber towels. I know y'all don't do this. I know your engine bays look just like this. Be honest. It's been a couple of minutes. Let's spray this off. Now, it's not perfect, but I mean, I did like no work. Sprayed it, rinsed it, wiped it down. 100 times better than it was. Next and final element here is the interior. My interior typically doesn't get super dirty, but it's North Carolina, pollen and dust is everywhere. We're gonna go to town with the old interior cleaner and our green microfiber towel. Stuff smells really good. Now it's time for the ASMR element of our show. All right, that's it. Glass cleaning. Now, listen, I'm not good at cleaning windows, but I got a good feeling about it. So this is my driver window. I got some, I don't know what I spilled. It looks almost like Coke, but I don't remember doing that. And then the back windows, I mean, I got kids and they like, for whatever reason, can't keep their gross little hands off the glass. So we're gonna hit it with our purple cloth. Let's do it. Oh yeah, I like that. Look, there's the reflection. Let's do the back windows. See if I can get an angle where you guys can see. This window in particular has like greasy head print where a child is like resting his head. I'm like, there's nowhere else to do this other than in the window. Final thoughts, this is a great all-in-one kit for keeping your rig clean and preventing some of that rust that we all hate so much. The results speak for themselves. The truck looks great. Now, if you stuck around to the end, we appreciate you. And if you like what we're doing, the best and easiest way to support us is to like this video and hit that subscribe button. Until next time, get out and explore.